Hi, my name is Siddharth Varde and this is Unity Advanced Mat1 Answer 10, right? So the first question is, tell me something about Unity Cinemachine, right? So Unity Cinemachine is a package, or we can even say a tool provided by Unity itself to control the cameras. So like the Unity Cinema Machine contains like you know it can control the behavior of the camera. So it contains the scripting for like the complex scripting that we need to do to control a camera. So for example, let's say we want to follow a character. So like the Cinemachine can do it. If we want to follow two if we want to like follow the two targets at the same time, Cinemachine can do it. If you want our camera bound in a particular area, Cinemachine can do it. So those are the kind of things, like it is consist of a complex behaviors that we have to write for the like to control the camera behavior of the camera, that we would have to write, but instead it is provided in through the Cinemachine for a better experience, right? So like they are mainly like we need to install the package. Then there are mainly two three few parts. So one of them will be like generating virtual cameras, then generating Cinemachine brain, and stuff like that. So like connecting it with the camera. So all the stuff like as I said, like and all we need to do is like change some settings and stuff. So we can even create top down camera, or first person or third person camera. Then like we want to like do like cutscene, then Cinemachine, like we can use Cinemachine for that to create a cutscene. Then we need to like cut from one camera and to transfer our view to another camera. So like Cinemachine can do it. The transition can be smooth, and like it will not be sudden. It can transition slowly into another camera. So that's the kind of behavior that we would have to write on our own, but instead it is provided in Cinemachine. So it makes our job easy. Second question is how to optimize the rendering of an object which are far away from the sight of the player. The very short answer would be by using LODs, right? So what we do in LODs, like we create a multiple models. So one would be high poly, another one would be medium, or third one would be like multiple, and one would be a low poly, right? Very low poly. So and we need to do is like uh, set those uh, set those meshes, so for our objects. So when our camera is far enough, the object will render less the mesh with the less polygon, so it will save a lot of performance. uh, what is the use case of asset bundle? How to create those? There are multiple uses of asset bundle, and the very main use of asset bundle is to create a downloadable content. It can be an entire level, or it can be a skin of a character, or it can be some other stuff, right? A material, or something new, like let's say there is a new offer that we created. So like that, those kind of things we can use with asset bundles. So how to create those? So there's one more thing about asset bundles. It cannot contain scripts, right? So the script should be directly already present, and we can change the visuals and stuff. So everything like that, like we can like we can create an entire scene, or a prefab, or those scriptable objects or materials, and stuff like that. So what we need to do is like we need to create a bundle, different bundles, right? Then we need like in the game, what we need to do is like we need to check if that bundle is already present. If it is present, then we can load it, and if it is not, then we can download it. And then after like creating a bundle, we need to like export it on a server and stuff like that. So what we need to do is like create the different categories of bundles. then we need to assign those categories for in every particular object. Let's say if there is a scene that I want in category A and there is a scene that I want in category C, so like I can do those things and I need to define those, and then I need to upload those bundles. Like I need to create like there will be a data generated, right? So I need to upload this, and after uploading, like in the code it will check if that entire bundle is present or not, and if it is present, then it will just load, and if it is not, then it will download and load and stuff like that. So I guess, thank you.